Hello everyone, welcome back to today's topic of the day. Today, we'll be discussing about disinvestment policy of India. Now, in the Union Budget 2023-24, the government has set a disinvestment target of Rs 51,000 crore, which is the lowest in 7 years and 21% less than the budget estimate for the current year. Disinvestment means the sale or liquidation of assets by the government like central public sector enterprises and state public sector enterprises, projects or other fixed assets. Now, there is a Department of Investment and Public Asset Management (DIPAM) under the Ministry of Finance for disinvestment, which sets the targets under each union budget. Also, the government then takes the final decision on whether to raise the divestment target or not. Now, let's discuss the objectives and benefits. The government undertakes disinvestment to reduce the fiscal burden on the exchequer, also to raise money for meeting specific needs such as to bridge the revenue shortfall from other regular sources. Disinvestment allows a larger share of PSU ownership in the open market, which in turn allows for the development of a strong capital market in India. It is also helpful in the long-term growth of the country. Now, if we talk about the evolution of the disinvestment policy of the Government of India, with the passing of the Constitution First Amendment Act 1951, nationalization of private firms became a standard policy tool by the government. However, after the 1991 reforms of liberalization, privatization and globalization, there was a transition in thinking about public and private sector. The term disinvestment was used first time in Interim Budget 1991. However, the policy on disinvestment gathered steam under the government of PM Vajpayee when a new Department of Disinvestment was created in 1999, which became a full ministry in 2001. Further, it was during this period that the concept of strategic sales of state-owned companies became a part of policy debate. Now, let's understand the new Public Sector Enterprise Policy 2021. In order to realize the mission of new self-reliant India, there was a need to redefine public sector participation in business enterprises and to encourage private sector participation in all sectors. Against this backdrop, new Public Sector Enterprise Policy for Atmanirbhar Bharat was notified on 4th of February 2021. The policy intends to minimize the presence of the government in the PSEs across all sectors of the economy. Furthermore, under the new PSE policy, public sector commercial enterprises have been classified as strategic and non-strategic sectors. Following 4 broad strategic sectors have been delineated based on the criteria of national security, energy security, critical infrastructure, provision of financial services, and availability of important minerals. Now, these sectors are atomic energy, space and defense, transport and telecommunication, power, petroleum, coal and other minerals, and banking, insurance and financial services. Now, that was a little bit about the topic. Let's take a practice question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The term disinvestment was used first time in the Interim Budget 1991. Statement 2. Department of Investment and Public Asset Management (DIPAM) is under the Ministry of Finance. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? You may take a moment and give your answer in the comment section below. Now, the correct answer is C, that is, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. I hope you liked the video and found the information useful. You may also check out our daily current affairs section on our website, and for more such videos, stay tuned to the next IAS YouTube channel.